guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Back in front of my closet again, and this week I'm going to be doing a total wardrobe clean out because I've been living tiny for almost 3 years and there are a lot of clothes that I have not worn, and I realized that they are taking space up in my closet and it's frustrating me. I pick from this portion of clothes only because I can't get anything in here, and sometimes when you need something right away, it's just easier to pick from the front. So to make it better for me to pick certain clothes and be able to have options, I'm going to be basically getting rid of everything that I don't wear, and I'm going to be saving these things for later for a different project, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. First things first, I'm going to be taking all of these jeans off. These are all bigger clothes that I don't want to fit in here. I have about 80 hangers in here, and just the clothes are so packed. I even have double things hanging on some of the hangers. A lot of this stuff is just going to be put on the floor. I don't really have anywhere to put them. I don't mind the cat hair. I might have trouble with this. I always have trouble with this, and that's what happens when you're a hoarder. However, no, I'm going to wait on this one. I put this on the other day. I didn't really like it, so I'm getting rid of it. Double. But I wear them both, so they're gonna stay. We're also going to be transferring the heavier clothes and the winter clothes upstairs because now that I'm in Georgia, it's gotten way hot way soon, and I hear it's going to get hotter. So we're gonna have to put winter clothes away, maybe keep one sweatshirt or hoodie down here for when it gets chilly at night, but otherwise they don't need to be in the closet taking up the space. I'm gonna have to start a maybe pile too. This one and this one are similar. I like the blue one better. I'm gonna put the black one in the giveaway pile for right now, but I'm gonna keep it on the hanger. We're gonna put this in the keep pile for now. I might actually start getting rid of some of the stuff in the keep pile as well. In my opinion, well, in my hoarderism, I buy the same shirt in multiple different colors if I like them. So, all purchased on Facebook ads, and I wear all 3 of them, so we'll keep them. This shirt, I do not wear. We're getting rid of it. I wish it was that easy for all of them. These shirts have been hidden for a while. I do wear them, but if I was to see them, so we're putting them in the keep pile for now. Another romper that I just don't wear, so I'm going to get rid of it. Some things you buy on Facebook and you think you're gonna like them, but when you get them, you don't really like them. Dresses, I'm gonna bust them out soon. Haven't seen this shirt in a while, but that's just like that black one. It's a cool plain shirt, so I think I'm gonna keep it. This romper, it's hard to say. I can go either way on this one, but let's get rid of it. This shirt is newer. Haven't seen it in a while because it's been buried. Now this one's harder to decide on. This is also a romper. I'm gonna keep it. Seems like I'm keeping a lot of clothes already, so I'm gonna have to get more realistic. How more realistic can you get than that? That's a sign. Get rid of it, Jen. This one is also a romper. It's cute, so I'm keeping it. This I have not worn in a while, but it's cute. Man, this is hard. Nope, don't want it. It's only half cute. Same with this peach one. I don't wear it anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Again, I bought so many different ones. I bought like 6 or 7 of these, but when you wash them, they shrink, and I want them to be longer, so this one shrunk. She gone. This is a dress that I got on Facebook as well. However, you can see through it, so I don't really know what to use or what to wear underneath it, so you can't see through it, but you can. But it's brand new. I have never worn it. I've tried it on, but I don't even know if I like it. I'm getting rid of it. There's that jumpsuit that I tried in my other clothes video. You guys can check out that video right there. I even tried it on. It was really cute, but I've never worn it. But I'm gonna keep it because there has got to be some occasion where I can wear it, right? But that's the problem with keeping what ifs. These pants I keep around for holidays. It's like my only nice pair of pants for holidays. This shirt I also tried on in that video. This shirt was given to me by my mom one of my birthdays long ago, and I absolutely love it. I've been looking for a pink bra to go with it so that I could, you know, wear it like a pink bralette, and I did find one, so I need to get to wearing this. Okay, it's time to go through some of the maybes and then to re-go through this pile. Wow, look at that. You could see my plumbing hookups, and I keep an extra set of bedding back there. Always space behind stuff in a tiny house to put like extra stuff. Now it is time to get super realistic. That's actually quite a few articles of clothing that I am getting rid of. Leaves me a lot of space in my closet. We are going to work on the tank tops in this top drawer. I have so many of them, and there are just certain ones that I do not wear. All of these shorter ones I do not wear. I prefer tunic tank tops. These ones are longer, but I don't like the material. I have hangnails on my nails, and every time I like put my hands or my fingers against them, they snag. All of that snagging. It's crazy. I hate this material, whatever it is. It's like, what is this material called? 94% nylon and spandex. Blech. I hate these. So, they gone. Can you believe I had 39 tank tops in that drawer? So I got rid of most of them. I kept 16 of them, and we have a little space left in that drawer just in case we need to transfer some of the ones downstairs up here. There are 5 more drawers to work on, and hopefully we can make as much progress. Now this drawer is all shorts, and I wear all of them, so we are going to keep all of these. We're going to work on the last drawer, which is leggings. I wear most of the ones on this side, but the ones on this side, I wear the top layer-ish. I'll wear these during Halloween only. I wear these blue ones. I've got like 3 layers of them. And some of the ones on the bottom I don't even wear because I don't even see them. We could either get rid of them, or we could save them, turn them into shirts. This is packed with winter clothes, and I don't think we've cleared enough in the drawers in order to be able to fit some of this stuff in the drawers, but we're gonna try a little bit. And then I also brought up these, so maybe we can keep this up here for the cats, take some of these out and be able to put those inside here. So maybe that will be the solution for this. And just the major purge was the downstairs closet. These jeans I don't wear, but I want to keep them because these are a pair of jeans that I would wear if I was working outside. So I'm gonna keep these. This has like a big hole in the knee and it's like really uncomfortable to wear, so hang on. And Rocky and the girls get to keep their bed. So I honestly think I got rid of a lot of clothes. I feel that these will all come in use down the line and you will all see what I'm going to be doing with them. But then now let's go check at the closet and see how much room we have in there. So now here's the final results for the clothes in the hanging closet. There are 50 articles of clothing here, including pants, flowy pants, skirts, dresses, rompers, dressy shirts, and a few pairs of jeans. I do have a load of clothes upstairs in the laundry, so I'm going to keep about 5 or 6 hangers down here, but we did get rid of a good 30 articles of clothing, as well as all of that stuff from the drawers upstairs. So I think I made quite an accomplishment, and hopefully getting dressed will be easier to pick out clothes and to pick out different clothes than wearing the same clothes all the time just because they're in the front where I usually pick from. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Rox, come on. Don't you fuss. Don't you fuss. Come on. Don't you fusses. Come on. Darn, is that a stain? That is a stain. Damn it. I just bought 80 hangers. My lunch is done.